This PCG is back above 43. I was what's on the 4250. Triple VY coming into 2150. Riot was straight down on the open. There really is a lot going on. So when you hear people say, oh, the market's not doing anything, these old school people who've been around watching the market for 25, 35 years, the market was in a 30 basis point range today. It's bullshit. Who cares what if anything, the market being in a tight range and being stable means it's more likely the trades that you're seeing set up in individual names, or you're going to be less likely to get stopped out because there's not going to be a big market move screwing up your trades. This is the one that has the most potential for movement. It's just riskier. And there's going to be, there should actually be good liquidity on this. It's already traded almost 20% of its daily volume in the pre-market. And one of the concerns sometimes is if you're trading too much volume, there's going to be too much cost, you're not going to make money. But when things are more volatile, you want to be more active. There's just more opportunities. There is the opportunities kind of take care of the fact that you're getting in and out more of those costs.
CPI and a filing saying they requested.
PCG back down to 4250. You see that? It gets into the 90s and then the sellers just step in. People want to short it up here into 22. Of course, if 22 lifts, it could be like a squeeze-a-rama. PCG below 4250, then spikes back above, then below. You want to watch the more experienced guys in real time. You want to see what they're trading. And you want to follow along because eventually you want to be that guy. And, these guys that have been trading 5, 6, 7, 8 years, you want to develop those same skills so when that opportunity does come along, you can take advantage. And top traders on a day like, when something like that happens, easily are making six figures. And it's the same thing that you're trading at the beginning where you're risking $100 or $50 and making a few $100. But one day, once you have that skill set, six figures in a day.
A little more than 15 minutes down to the U.S. trading session. Equity markets have backed off from the opening levels. We're holding on to gains of about a quarter percent or so in the S&P minis. NASDAQ 100 futures up 0.1%. The Dow holding on to gains of more than 70 points in the early going.
PCG $42. There's definitely a bunch of bids there, but they're hitting them. That lifts VWAP there. You were just saying PCG was consolidating below VWAP. It just lifted it. It didn't really go anywhere. Oh, there it goes. Apple offers up in the 80s and 90s for triple VY. I'm going to focus on PCG now. So, and by the way, NET played out right in real time in the morning meeting. What I said is it had to hold 25.26. It did. Now it's playing out exactly textbook, right? We talked about it could take out the pre-market high now,
FinTech,
and then potentially have a reversal.
Halted on a circuit breaker in Franklin Tango.
Yeah, exactly. The opportunities there, and you want to be active as possible.
Milestone, December 8th.
And don't forget the whole underlying reason why we, 15 years ago came up with the idea of finding the best in play stuff each day is sometimes the market really is dead. And, so in addition to finding the in-play stuff, which we're doing every day, which is great, is now just these sectors are now becoming very in play. So you have the in-play names for the day, like the kind of the Lulus today or the TLRD, but you're also getting the kind of the Bitcoin related, blockchain related names, and there's just a lot of different things going on.